guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be making creamy salad without cream. To make the salad you will need half cup of yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can also add nuts of your choice. Here we use 2 to 3 tablespoons of crushed almonds and raisins. You will need 4 to 5 sliced bananas, 4 guavas and 4 apples. Cut the apples and the guavas into cubes. We left the skin on as it gives the fruit salad more color. You can use any other fruits of your choice as well. Now add the yogurt, mayonnaise and sugar into the bowl and mix it well. Once the sugar has been dissolved, add 1/4 cup of milk into the mixture. Now is the time to add apples, guavas and sliced bananas into the mixture. At the same time, also add the almonds and raisins. Thoroughly mix it so the juices can come out. It will make the fruit salad even more delicious. By mixing the salad this way, the juices from the fruit will come out even more. This will make the salad flavorful. Now it's time to serve the salad. Finally, garnish the salad with some chopped almonds. The texture of the salad is absolutely gorgeous and it looks really juicy, creamy and yummy.